Okay, in this video, I'm going to cover where you can find the various option settings in Excel. So if you click on File, right at the bottom, you'll see Options. At the bottom, you click on that word Options. That'll open up this Options dialog box, and you can see the various settings for different areas. So you've got General, Formulas, Data, Proofing, so forth. Earlier on, we looked at the Customize ribbon. We didn't access it going this route of File Options. We went directly to it. But it's the same settings here for the customizing of the ribbon as well as the quick access toolbar. Just a couple of quick ones I'd like to show you. So for example, when creating new workbooks, you can set up your default font type that you would like to use. You can see on this drop down there's all the different fonts, what font size and what type of view do you want to be in, as well as how many sheets you'd like new workbooks to be created with. So if you want to create it, for example, with 3 sheets every time, you could increase that, or just with 1. And then your username as well, you can put in your name over there so that it actually has your username for personalization purposes. And then the other quick one we'll just look at is the saving. So your auto recovering information, you want to save that every so many minutes. So here it's set as saving every 10 minutes. So if something goes wrong, if your computer shuts down, at least you've got a copy of your data, because it would be auto saving every 10 minutes. You could obviously decrease this, for example, to every 5 minutes. And then the other thing is make sure it is ticked on though, if you do want the auto recover to be working. Obviously if it's ticked off, it won't be doing the auto recovering. And then the other thing is your default file location. So when you're actually saving documents, where do you want to basically go to save it? And you can make sure that you tick on save to computer by default if you wanted to save on your local drive as opposed into the cloud. I'm just going to tick that off. And then once you are happy with all of the options, you then click on OK. Now, we're not going to look at all of the options. I mean, there are obviously huge amounts of them, but in different parts of the course, going forward and the follow-on courses, we do look at various options, relating to those sections of the course. So this is just to make you aware of where to find the option settings in Excel. So we now click OK, and that effectively concludes this lesson on Excel options.